I got mad love last year, and this year was just the same and even better. Mad love last year. I'm always said R.I.P. but said, nah, stop say it. The people carry them the day. I know one thing. I mean, I tell you one thing. You see, a real party person, like, you see King Donia? Anyway. Any fucking way. You see, me have to give him it. Me have to give the man them. Thank you, thank you, baby. Me have to give King Donia that. Me can't take it from him. The vibes of the party, the vibes, him not boring. Me not like boring friend. King Donia is a friend where if him live next door and him a gonna say, oh, come now. King Donia, me don't want to live side of Donia. Me can't live in a corporate world, you know. Yeah. Can't live in a corporate world. I'm live in a corporate world. I feel like something wrong with me. Yes, for true. I can't live in a corporate world. I have to live in a world where I have to think about something, disaster, preparedness, ODPEM. I can't live in a corporate world. Changes is good. Changes is good, you know. For you to move from one level to the next level, that's great. But for me in a life, me not feel like I can live in a one place where my neighbor them gonna say, hello, good morning, hello, good morning, hello, good morning. I believe in a one, yo, what go on? I just see my finger here. It was a real party cougar. I'm tell you something, it's a Rosealee! Rosealee! Candy, no, hey, I'm tell you, no care them want to say. I'm a love people, and I care what them want to say. I want to see me and them, I want to dog them up and them dog me up here. That's what I'm telling you to say. I'm not even not telling you the code. Because me not telling you the code, you know. Because I mix it. Me not telling you the code, you know, because I mix it. I mix internet with real life, you know. Me not mix internet with real life, you know. Me not mix, yeah, without there. As when me there, yeah, me there work. I'm out there, I want different complete me. And that's why the last time when TJ did said it already, but him like cloud. Him is a cloud tracer now. So me left him. TJ said it last year when he saw me at that party. Him come talk and said, no man, but me no look on him. Me and him in a one cabana, and him feel like say me no look on you. Me no have time for that. Me go out in the world. For me and my like for me drink a party more party, you know. For you see me drink my liquor, a party more party, you know. And for you see me drink my liquor one party, you know. When me go out and a nice this me. Where you think say me and talk to a friend from me at 13, I know me at 32. And them the vibes them have straight. When we go party and drink, I want me now wine for the girl, yeah. I see ya. And them the vibes them like me no live boring. Me no live boring, me no chat boring, me no keep boring from the fuck boring, me no like boring man. Me no like boring man. Me no like boring man, me no deal with boring man. You have to festive. Something boy you have to excite me, you have to have a buzz or thrill. Me like, you see the feeling of adrenaline rush? Me like it. Me like it. Me not chat, I don't, not even when I'm having a convo, me not do boring conversation. I don't. Adrenaline rush. If I saw it name, adrenaline rush. How would my people here? How would my me not keep boring, no. Me not keep boring, friend. No time at all. You say rebel? If I talk. Don't talk to you. It's a me tell me some talk no care what them say about her. No care what them say But she, it's when me meet she for the first time, me say it in her life, I'm gonna take back my talk. She's such a beautiful soul, always. You see, Daima, I wanna wait for me and Daima quarrel, tear it, pop it, map it, sweep it, nip it, and that any type of way, never. Me and Daima have a bad day now. Peer judgment. Because the two we are bull. Two we are bull. We just clock tease. We just argue about something. And Rosealee, I'm not going to hear nothing. And then by 3 minutes, 4 minutes after, peer judgment. In your class, you know. We can use a bad moment when it's all and over, sit and talk about it and just laugh. I will think me left me and come back here. That is Diamond. No care the moment, no care just have a bad moment. Me no want to, me no care. The people that when me go around, they see me still go around them treat me good. I mean, I give them flowers all when it seems like, say, me and them on a good terms. If them treat me good. All of the people that you see me go around them treat me good. Cause if them never treat me good, me not go around them. Me are good in them flowers. Rebel, Swissly, Triple, World Dog. Everybody will see me go around. Diamond, figure it out. Even Akeem. Donia, even Nasty Binds will come class more there. Nasty Binds will come class more there. Lulu. Last time I hug up Jaden, Candy, Chumba. Rebel friend, TC. No, not TC, pretty. Everybody want to go around treat me good. Save space and energy up. Me a 6K friend for man. Me a 6K friend. I be to me a 6K friend. Me never say TikTok boss, but if me never say TikTok boss, but if me did see him, I had the same energy. Left Jaden. Right you. Me and right you can green. Me and right you can green a chat. I'm gonna tell you why me and right you can blood clot agree. It's true, right you are Gemini. I'm a Gemini. So we're more feisty. Me and him cannot agree. And him know me and him can't agree. It's always me and him can't agree. So it's always a clash. So make him trick on him. Between me and him is always a clash. Cause I will say something and then him say something and then me say back something. Says that I'm shut up and give me the winnings. And sometimes me shut up and give him the winnings. Cause so we stay. Sometimes when we look winnings, we go to the extreme, we get it. Cause we want the winnings and we not Lego till we get the winnings. That's how we talk to Gemini people turn. We not Lego till we get the winnings. Sometimes we want the winnings. Me and Zuma a friend. Zuma too much. But if him see me around, him know me I got chat to him. However, Rosealee never follow me, bro. I saw Gemini people turn. We always want winnings. So I say me and right you can't agree. You can't agree. Him nice, him right you nice like me, you know, cause me nice about can't agree. Because right, me rate right you, may I tell him nice like me, nice. Like me. But what, one more bad. So we'll jump off. Him I go say something. Like me I go say something and him I go say something. Move your bumble clot and way. And so and sometimes he'll kiss me teeth. I said, cha. Move a bumble clot and way. I said, cha. And then sometimes he must say something to me and me back on him. Don't take right, hey, oi. Someone who go like right you can't match. Don't take him light, you know. He only can't trick on him, can't trick me. Don't take him light. Someone who sit down around there, right you. Someone who go like say right you, I sit and can't match hands. Don't sit down and take right you light, you know. Someone was still gonna go like right you are saying. Don't take right you light. Right you are Gemini. Right you can be nasty. If it comes to the tea and dog you up and dark up a place. But I guess his practice self-truth. I guess through him live a foreign, him practice self-control more than me. I have someone named self-control. So through him live a foreign, him practice self-control. I him live a foreign. But me try practice it and sometimes I don't catch it at all. But him practice self-control, but right you would dark you up, dip up underneath you, tell you things will burn you. Him can do it. When you think of Jabba stand so, because Jabba is a whole Gemini, him would dog you up. We just can't hate people. Me and Jabba can't hate people, you know. But so when we are cuss you, we are going for the kill. We are saying the things that we know, so when we say it, it got take, it got, what we say, you have one big teeth, yeah, so we are hurt you for years. Because so when we are cuss people, we use one word, throw one big blow, and for years, just so long I hate to it. That's how we do it. Jabba's most bad, you know? Me see him last night, but big time, if I go give him up, I go give him up. Yeah, I go up Jabba sniper. Yeah. Big time, if I see him, take my eye shift. Because me know him not hate me, I not hate him. I'll join him go up last night, chat. Because I'm telling you, I'm look on you and telling you over the years. So I look on you and telling you over the years. Jaden is a little boy where I always rate and check for as a little brother over the years. So I can't really hate him. Me only block him. I always block him. And then when I block him, in time him see me come, I know say when him see me on the road, no care what happen. I'ma block him. I take a block him for a month or 2 months. Anyway, I see him, once I see him, if I see him, I'm on a phone call with him. And one word, him will come out time out. When I see Jaden, I road, I'm on a phone call with him, suppose somebody call me. If my Rosealee block me. No care when me and him have, no care when I chat to him for months. Rosealee block me. Rosealee block me. Because what? Him know the type of person I be. Him know me. Me nice in a pan in it and in a real life. But someone wanna see the dark side of me. I always go to when I come here, I come to work. I know over here bitter. I come with the dark side of the Gemini. I always come with her. The girl with the spear in her hand and the shield. And I pay a fight to be eat on and me. That's how I do it. But in real life, I'm nice. Yeah. Party goat. I don't even like socialize on my goat. Because I don't love chat to people. My goat, no, yes. Me have social anxiety bad. Me no love the whole yeah and the crowd and the people them. And me no like it. Me know me have name here, but honestly, me have enter you see me if you say me go to a crowd of people, you see me interact. Me have the influence, whole heap. For me go with somebody there in a table last full of whole people because that was after party, after Swiss party. Me and the one come back down. Cause to the rain and so, me never get for drink nothing. I get 2 Magnum, I give me skirt one behind me. And me not drink it. Me go up half of the Magnum come here and say, if you're not so keen, by the time them a crowd of people are coming on, I appear sweat and me not go want to do nothing, you know. So I know my work. I go up in the liquor, I go, I say, alright, go. Because a piece of crowd will take you now, a piece of crowd take me now, and I say blood clot. When I tell me turn up them, but just turn up normal. What's someone really think about me? Because I always behave some type of way. Then me go down a part when I was act civilized. I'm not act civilized. Stop follow the net. I work, I come. This is what the people realize. Say, oh, and when we meet Rosealee in real life, she's a different person. Try to get to know before you judge. Well, things that me and Triple are friend over the years and talk to them everybody. Me listen about what I feel like. And me will listen. I do. But when the process, sometimes it would have done the process. Because they got to tell me something, you know. They got to sit down and process it, you know. Like if I say, don't go to this later. And I say, well, you know why I'm going to say later? You know, my face said that boy that have one blood clot, girl, down the pussy clot road. He might tell me something to come here, me had blood clot tonight. Yeah. I mean, me that chat to one boy one night. And the boy said, all right then. So long I tell myself, all right then. Tonight, no, the boy will give me my piece of soldering. The boy blood clot boy call me. Yo. Don't come tonight, Mr. Say blood clot. You have a woman down there. So okay, sir. Trot. Circle like Wi-Fi. I Google internet. Me say your blood clot. Then him still a fuck she. Me say, oh. Me listen to people. I do. But when they tell me something, it have a process. So when it process, you can't remember, you know, I fat alone on my back. Me always gonna be the unruly one. Me not even like take program. Me not like a program, you know. You can't tell me for do. And it's because me don't know about me have split personality. So you can't tell me for do. Me not go by your laws. Me not go by your rules. If me even have a man, I'm going to try if adjust. Because I'm going to tell him I'm going to try if adjust certain things. But it not, me not think, for me to change completely, it's going to take a long process. But, me don't know. It's not that I can't change. But, me don't know. Me just can't, me can't stop being me. Because when you say something to me, and to me is an overthinker, it's when it process, me I gotta just bust out worse. Because you will say it to me in a one good manner. Maybe you will say things to me in a one good way, you know. Like the master to me say, don't argue upon the internet. I mean, did I say, okay, now stop now. And then we look now. I come upon the internet and I say about 5 people at class me. I say, Pana at least I want to be a class people. I say, okay. And did that video you take say be on a class. And then you come back and say, don't argue upon the internet. I'm gonna say, alright then again. And then that start a blood clot process I made. Like meat down a factory. And then I tick the time bomb, me tick. And then when I come back tomorrow, don't argue upon them. I say, hello, look at me, I don't want to root here, you know. Stop telling me that. You know what, don't tell me that, I don't want to hear that. Because I never have them still in class me. I want class. Sometimes I not chat. I want sit down and I love class, you know, but sometimes, alright, I'm gonna tell you what it seems. Me just expressing myself, defending myself, however, I just my tone, make me look like the worst in my life. That's that the problem. Some will understand, you know, some of them understand and know, you know. Some will understand and don't know, you know. I just my tone all the while. Me always get fucked with people. Cause me not trouble nobody. Me no walk on fast with people, you know. Cause when me start, me not done. I saw me stay. Me no walk on trouble people. Cause when me start, me not done. Worse, me know me not trouble you. Me and you not have nothing. I will tell you, me and you fight already. Me and you going a physical fight. I will fight and done. And every time after that you see me, you throw, you go and you see me, I'm in a pain of mine. When them the something start process back in my brain, you know, and me start fight again in a judgment, you know, because this time I'm not done. Because I'm not trouble you. So them like to pick on people, and then when you come out, come over here, come dark up the place and dark them up, then become to see them here. Also me, and that me always get wrong. Come in and trouble you. It's just that I don't know how to sit down and explain myself in a one way where some of the people will understand them. Some will understand, and some of them just my tone. I'm loud. Because I'm upset, so you will hear the loudness. That is all mistake. Because it upset me, so when I'm upset, my tone will go high. I can't take that for myself. Anytime I'm upset, my tone mad. My tone high. My mouth loud. I can't upset. No. Attitude.
This is how I'm going to sit down. Yes, I sit down. What is that, man? Let me ask you.
Yeah, them the word.
Alright, I'm walking for everything. Alright.
Tell them about Irish.
Irish?
Yeah.
You do what?
No cook some crush Irish, man.
Oh, man, I soup me a cook.
Tomorrow, me I talk,
Oh,
man.
sorry. You must alright, that's everything there. You don't know that soup, so. Close. I say alright, that's so.
Oh, you just call out a pigtail, alright.
Yeah, that over. Two go.
Alright. No ever text it from people, so sometimes I just my tone and the things them make people always have me in a one bad light. But I'm nice in a real life. I'll be last night when I got the party shop say, I never know Rosealee was that nice of a person. Say here, yeah. My trick on you again. I pay trick them. Yeah. I pay trick them because I'm nice in a real life, but they don't know who you don't know. You know me, you know me. I'm nice in a real life. Don't watch my person and put on for the net. Because you know me how dark up. Any one of them I call my name and me not sit well with me or worse when I text me, worse when I trouble you. You call it invalid for come. Me nice in a real life. Last time I out with them, I give the woman $1,000. I hear them now, I should depend on the life, she give her money. Me nice in a real life. And me always give her my things. Me always give my things. Yeah, that's what my time. Drink one. Creme. And this man drink last time I say give me a blood clot. It's after last night. When me left the party, I would go. Before I leave in the party, I mean, I tell you such a blood clot. When Rebel wall up on me, and when Rebel wall up on me, and I said, don't move. And me look at bodyguard, coffee bodyguard that I'm not left my side. They behind me, I'm in my roll, my dog, I'm in my roll. I'm about to dog them out the door. Trot. They couldn't even come out of blood clot, stay them in pieces. The people them, like them want to go at them yard with me body. The people them, like them want to go, can I got them yard? Take me body, can I got them yard? Can I come out? Can I come out? Could me come out of stadium? Who no want a picture? Rosealee, my mother tell me this. You know far me I come from. You want a piece of crowd? Take me. Escort me, we get escort out type of party. Yes, Jesus Christ. Hey, popularity come with a whole of blood clot anxiety. Come here tell us it's a blood clot. In another person of mine, so I wish I was a normal person because I could have actually walk out of the party in a peace. I could come out in a peace, me. Everybody want a picture. I mean, don't want to stand about to the crowd too much. We don't want to take picture with the people and for true. But there's a lot of people and they're confusing me. Me see I'm a friend named Richie there. I'm Panganat. Me go call into Pango do me go call Panga, you know. More me have a cream out and push wave. She can push wave nice Panganat. If I go Panganat and kiss her, we can't come out to a party. One old people want to take me home and say no far me I come from to see you. Rosealee, you will say straight. You saw when I party done, happy to stampede don't take me. Like, I feel like any celebrity. The people them walk me down. Swiftly run. Swiftly run. Swiftly run. So when Swiftly come, Swiftly run, God up this up. I say, maybe walk Swiftly. Swiftly run when the crowd are coming, bro. Trot. I say, the people nearly go with my body. Wasn't it's my fans there, my people, me love when just the same. You saw last year, the amount of picture when me take last year, I'm in a genic. The amount of picture when me take last year at Rosealee party, I'm in a photogenic. Picture genic, my love. Not care them beat me upon the app and class me upon the net. It's in a real life, mad fucking love. Mad. It's crazy out there with love. Crazy out there with love. Crazy love. Crazy love. Because I put them in school one time. I tell her say, that's why I not go there. I don't go to parent-teachers meeting and none of that. I not go parent-teacher meeting, I not go no meeting. Make them father go, I send somebody, I'm call the teacher, I not go over there. And it's not because I'm not being a mom. It's when I go there, I go to them school, and I go to them school already, and when the people them realize say me interrupt the whole school. Me interrupt the whole school, the whole entire school. All of the kids them, Rosealee, she's like, okay, she's upon the principal upon, he says something upon, okay. Mix this so you can go now because I need to get back my students back in order because you have just interrupted the whole school. You can go now. You have to leave. You not go over there. Me not go over there. Me not go over there. If them make too much noise and the day and the and it when we go there, it was not even break time. It's the whole school was one people look and see me, and then when the one appear nice. You know, so one of them time I go to the school, I go put on one look event. Don't worry, put the people them. God and time. So me at the party, me say, crowd of people there so. We have to hold on for my hand tight so. My security down brown back at me so. Panga there so. Somebody call me this so. Somebody want hug me this so. I say one woman come. Pani said the last night the woman wet. I say Rosealee mother come say me that hug you but you're too wet. I remember when the floor first so when that wet pie cold. I say I would have hugged you miss but you're just too wet. Mama shake her hand and then somebody over there start call me and then we got a taboo last night. Lord. They will got a taboo last night. They will whine. They will do heels on. They me and the go them. And I will pass. Hey, I mean, that's a go club nice. Go club nice last night, man. The after party club. Me in them, me drink, me wine. Me tippy go them. Me rub them down. They rub up on me. They whine upon me. They feel me up. Me feel them up back. Travis when me come out. I look out the door. Daylight me like me can't see. And even me depend. Me can't see a blood clot. And a piece of blood clot hand in his spray take over my body. For a minute. Me say blood clot. How me feel like me want man so. And a piece of man and a piece of warm man spray take over my blood clot body. And then me still gonna tell my blood clot cells a ras clot. I know Jakes would have needed. And then you're the next wicked girl in me. Sure. For the war. Go like yourself, yeah, man. I'm there, you really go back in that. Me know me start to me that start to go back to me. I myself, me I talk to you know, hear myself to me. Yeah, I myself, me and myself a reason, you know. Like more one man. I hear myself to me. Mr. say, one man. It's the jack money gun. It's thanks. It's been a while. I feel like I take one big stiff wood for the moment. I also look out, you know, suck out tongue and feel up our finger, you know. Suck our nipple and, you know, cuddle up. And I say, bad, too bad. You'd have a man in your yard, you know. I mean, so I want him to me say, I want him. I say, you know, say, in our presence a moment. That's to myself, say, boy. If you and Jake say similar things, you could have gone, go get a little cider in your wall. I mean, I hear me to myself, so hear me in no hand. We ain't what you want, but nevertheless, me no want him back. So you know what me going to do? Me going to keep my urge. Yeah, me talk back to her, make sure you know say, me not go back. Who call who? Move here, me not go back there, so. It's all of it said and done. All of it said and done. And when me there so with Diamond, you carry girl in my bed, go fuck girl in my bed. That's a big disrespect for you to carry another woman in my bed. Understand? That is a big disrespect what you do. You carry another woman in my bed. That means all along, that is your true nature. You've been at it. I want to come talk, people tell me say I lie, me I tell. You've been a do that, that's your true nature. I die, mama there so with. You really carry one in my bed? And then when you leave, what you video the rat shit them in the drawer, like rat the liver everybody had. What me I do with you? You don't want them on there. Me say hello, shake it off for me. Shake off female for me. We've been together for 12 years. Leaving a person just like that, you gotta take time to heal all the way a human being. You have some people can't resist and go back. So when the urge will come back to you, it will. It will, because all the way a human being. The urge will come back to you. Me shake off mine. Go so. Shake it off for me, my dear. Shake it off for me. And me just said to him, say, but I said to myself, say, but I call him phone and tell him the protocol with the kids them. I shan't have phone me, I give the message to her father. One man said, don't call Jake's phone, don't deal with him. If you want, you buy your kids them 2 phone, call them. Let them get them father the message. This man said I call him father and tell him about the protocol for go to school Monday. I told me there so with Diamond, I not leave till Monday. So I send them run them things run a yellow. I send them things run a yellow with them uniform and them school bag and everything. So all I'm have to do is make him mother wash them uniform because she said she has stand up, she class me for her son and she has stand with her son. So make him mother wash them uniform or him wash them uniform because my father get it pressed. Him know the clothes them will call my sister so they can, well, then we get them clothes. I send clothes. You ever find a phone? prepare, me not leave her till Monday. He must can prepare and put them for go to school for Monday. So I'm one of them though, I'm gonna call him and say to him, say, prepare your kids for Monday. So make sure them get lunch, money, and them eat tonight, them eat today, and them eat tomorrow. Although the girl will have them, me get a month to buy something for them still, but you have to play your part. You have to play your part, that's all. Me know what and more I tell him that. More when me I tell him that, him not feel like say me I looking back, him feel like no affectionate there. So me I work with my mind. My mind say don't call him, call your kids them, and let your daughter deliver the message. Me know. This man when the urge come down upon me, I say, boy, bad too bad. If me and him did the same, me just my mind just go so whoop, shake it off, you idiot. You come for one party a while ago, if you actually want one man to go with you, pick one of the boy them with a pay nice, cute boy that's Swiss sleep and talk up to them, side them one at a time. Pay nice, cute boy, pure nice boy. So if you do want one boy to go with you, take one of the boy them, no matter each up on one of the boy them. Come remember you have name, you know. So remember me have name. Me have name. So me finding a man now is not hard. No, it's not hard. Cause a boy when I take a girl we have name, she have an image. She popular. You know, popular people are hard to get man. You're popular and hard to get man. Me ain't no man worries. I just wanted some dick. But me ain't really no man worries. Me not really running a relationship, you know. I just want to say me have one look at one boy in my corner and then him fuck every now and then. Me not really running. Maybe I'm a busy world about myself and money and my youth them and them future and somehow for put them and other things. Me not worry about man. Me not really. Me I come out of 112 year relationship. Me not go do another 2 or 3 with another boy. If more just have no say, me I go and bang. Just want to say me I go and bang. I did it for me, that's it. But the long years relationship, me no want about that. We just want to say me and a boy I go and bang. And if I call upon him, him can't help me out. Him call upon him can't help me out. And I call upon him and say go do that for him can't do it. Me no depend that. No relationship, you know. No. Just a bang. Friend with benefit. Yeah. Cause I start to adapt living alone. And trust me, it's have peace. Yeah, cause if me the day so probably me there me and me that man the day, he would have come torment me every minute upon every minute me come torment me poor soul. Just a torment me. For me, if you do that boy now, you have to have your yard. I them the man that me I pick up. I them if me if you take a man or them the man that me I pick up, me that take. You have your yard. So when we're done, enjoy each other, whether grind or just cuddling, you find your yard, I'm going my yard. Simple. Me know about the feel of my years 24/7 to 24. Me start like when the bed me one sleepy night and it empty. Me start to adapt to that. Nope. Being alone is at peace. Being alone is at peace. Sometimes you dance by your feet. Sometimes it's just a feeling where you snap back out. Being alone is a peace of mind. You got your yard. When me don't do everything, go home. No come about you know, you can't come look for me, so we spend a day or two in about find the yard. See, we can't hang out. We can hang out. We spend a day or two. We can never sleep together. I will spend a day or two. But for weeks, turning a 2 weeks, turning a month, you know, fine, hello. Really like that again, you know. One time me the urge to live with a man. No, me no want to live with none. Find your yard. I mean, I take the man. Me not take a next man when I live nowhere. Find your yard. Yeah, one time when me the young, me the urge feet. One time when me the young, me the urge, my biggest urge was to live with a man. Me no want a man to live with. Find your yard. Find your yard. Go find where you live. Go home to your parents. I don't want a man to live with you. Give me. Me? When I live with when I live with a man, them up in their space, so. Up in their space. Tell you what to do. And now, yeah. Sometimes, me know the tidiest. Sometimes I think them all over the blood clad place. Come in a guide and talk. Me busy. Me know the tidiest and me know the cleanest. Sometimes my things them all over the blood clad place. Close their ground. Close their ground. Close their sometimes I'll pan the dresser blood make me have clothes catch up. Some upon the dresser. Cause I just rest it this and it did the feel. All weeks coming out look. Yeah. Me ever have clothes, me ever have, yeah. Come busy. We feel like say, me a compare, come go like me I miss nice, I miss two shows like someone, you know? Yeah. Me not catch your blood clot, me not have no blood clot made. When me ready for clean me clean me. That's why me don't want nobody around me. That's why me don't want nobody around me. Cause me know tidiest. I'm a busy blood clot, girl. When I wake up, get myself together and start my day, I sit me, I go look sitting with that food, money sitting. Me have sitting for go do. Me is a busy person, me have something for go do. My time limited. Me no want find your yard. Simple. Find your yard. You don't have to live with people. You don't have to go to people. Find your yard. Don't want no man for blood clot, live with none. Me live with one man for 12 years when I look. Sometimes somebody text me, I want to long and chat to them in my phone, in my space. You annoy me can't sleep at night. I play tambourine. As daylight, my fi get up. You in me, you aunt me. You come like me live in a haunted house, blood clad. Come like me live in a haunted house. You annoy me, you're not done. Happy argument. You don't want them to sit around me, a blood clot. More me a fuck, I will jump off your guy, your pussy clot. Hello. Leave. Yeah. More me a grind. I don't know what time I jump off, you stand in your yard. I call you, don't call me. Me a grind and you will jump off, stay yard. I call you. And if you don't walk out back, you don't walk out back. But when you're a man there and them jump off, you know, eventually talk back and then them stop, then now go change. Yeah, I mean, my 12-year relationship teach me a lot. I have learned from it. You're a boy a grind. You're a man there. You live with a man and you jump off about something. You jump off about something and you squash it. That one problem I gonna keep on occur because it's always a squash. So it's not gonna change, it's not gonna do better, and it's not gonna change. But if you're a man that live together, problem will change. I and him not live together. So when they start distancing, him know what time it is. Find your yard and your yard. When you do some of them at them yard, the relationship will work better. Because if two or three they come, You 2 or 3 days come, you decide say you not call me, and me decide say me not call. Oh, nobody will have a call. The silence will have a break. Well, the silence will have a break. One or the other way, but me not call. And you not call me, well, fine. Yeah. You not call me, or me not call you, well, fine. Fine your yard. When that's why when you want to come and attack and them have him yard, you have a yard, and you catch up in an altercation over the phone, him there in yard and there you there fear yard. And if you look and say, wow, wait, him not call me, what's here? What's your? Him not call me. Okay then. When you look, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. When you look 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. 5 day drop in. And him not look upon you. And you not look upon him neither. You there for your yard. You there for your business and him about film business. If Father God want the silence to break, the silence will break. And if it not break, nothing wrong. Turn your yard. Blood clap by the road me. Me don't want them something around me again me. Me don't burn a bar more. I'm a peace of mind. I'm a space. Get along in my blood clot room and talk about fuck and suckers me please. I will never freak him. I want to slump on my phone and freaky conversations. Talk about trees, some of all things. Women, I just want to slide on and say it. I mean, no worries. Find a yard. Yeah. I'm a big woman. I can sit and have any nasty conversation with whoever, just for it to give me a buzz so I can have a laugh. I just be sick sitting and thinking about it. Me no want you around me in my conversation. Every word, me no what find your yard, sir. Me no know someone take up. Me no take up more relationship. Me no way there. Because me no want nobody. Me no want that. Me live with a man for 12 years and the experience. Me no want another to experience that again. When me miss me call you. And that me want to give the boy them now. If I miss you, me will call you. Simple. Any boy I pick up now that me start again. When I miss you, if I miss you, me will call you. When I miss you, me will call you. Simple. I start enjoy my own blood clot private corner. All the blood clot room come to make me. I'm not. Blah 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 blah. Find the yard. All this a blood clot now. See one here. Speak up. Hey, me not like boring man, you know. Sure. Me not like boring man. Me not like when the man them. Me not like when the man them boring. Me like feel when me talk to one boy. Me like feel chemistry. Me like feel the ooze and the blood clot as. And I me soak. Yeah. And some of the girl I'm gonna hate me for say this, but me not even give. I want to say blood. Me don't want to. Sure. See you one. Blood clot, come. Piss me blood clot. Chat fuck you, yeah. Yeah. If me I talk to one boy now, you not give me no goosebumps, me not waste my time. So I'm not telling you this. Me have some other reason. I'm gonna be blood clot honest. You see at my age, me have picnic tone in me. My age 32, me have picnic tone in me. Me have playful, me have playful tone in me. Me have playful tone in me. He said me I talk to one boy. And him not give me the oohs and the ahs. When me I look for, me nah waste me blood clot time. Me nah waste me time. You have to give me a ooh and a ah and a ooh and a ah. So it's like my spirit and your spirit always a urge for the round because you give me the oohs and you give me the ahs. And I wouldn't say to fall in love for fuck, but when young people have good energy, they are not. Them always can light up your room. You always want to be around them. The two blood clot boring. Go away, go. Not even boring. Can't me. Not even fuck for boring. Go away, yeah. Clot come. Enter my blood clot spirit with more one cup soup. The blood clot. And why you change the name and see me? Come on, boy, the fuck. Him not nothing just boring. Chat we can get two wheel. Him not fucking enough. The man just fucking boring. It's my blood clot time, pa man of them are hard time. How that? Thank you, Sue. Who's in the first one? Chat will look weird. Shanti, chat will look 12 wheel chat. Yeah. So I said the live goal I look 2 wheel. Me not like boring man, you know. Never do none SD. Jenny, come like you have Jenny, come like you have symptom with calling that man name. Chat will look Jenny go reach out and lend me one wheel. And stop call people name in the comment section. Chat will look something go up in our rank, so I go wrong. Blood clot with pussy clot chat right now. Come upset my blood clot spirit. Thank you, my babies. Chat will look 2 wheel. Chat will look 2 wheel chat. When I look, I wouldn't mind England people. I wouldn't. The people who live in England now got them bed. England people can't call me and say. My auntie Beverly called me today, you know. You hear me? I forgot to call her. So Junie, you're sleeping, and I said yes, auntie. I'm in bed. She said, okay, I'll call you back later. I said, okay, then later. I think glad people them can't call on my phone. I think glad people them can't call on my phone. So my TV father call me, yo, my gas done. My TV father thief. My father thief, you know. Me say my father come in the highway robbery. Me yo, hey me answer now. Me say what? My gas done, you know. Me say what? But I say what that have to do? What that have to do with me? Me not have done neither. Yo, my gas done now. So me say what that have to do with me? Get me that for. Want to guess my girl? What you mean by my girl? Them call me, you know? My girl, you know my girl. Want to gas my girl. I say, what you mean by it? You don't have it. Me not work no way, you know? And Jamaica, me live. Chat. I look 2 more wheel. So I look, want to go up in the ranks in a chat? Chat don't know put me up in the ranks. One thing with my teammate, them love come put me up in the ranks, you know. Them want me slung and chat for the whole day. Come on, my team, and put me up in the ranks. You ever forgot for unblock Jaden and I look at you. Not black is chat. I said them go them always tell me till me and them jump off my block them again. I say process go, but me not hate people. I walk with bitterness in my soul. I'm glad if you enter the ranking, me and block him. I'm gonna stop it. Hello? Stop it. My mother, alright, Nadine, stop it. Stop. Yes, stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop it. When you walk, not care where you have to know a person deal with them. Stop it. Until I get the chance, I'm blocking me, unblock him. Stop it. Me not walk over people. Not care one over. No. Raquel, come here. Raquel, you can't lend me something. Ask me buy the gas. Me now was give my father money. Do me not come tell them business? So you think I might pit them alone me give money? You think I might pit them alone me give money? True. Me not tell them my business. You think I might pit them alone me take care of? Yeah, my family me take care of, you know, but me not come telling you that. Me not telling you that for. Me not telling you that. When me want to put pan it, I put pan it, you know. Some want to can anything. Certain levels of life, someone can, you know. So I don't know what to think. And when someone I try to talk about this, I never look at them. I just make them go and chat. We all look too well. Raquel, lend me something, Raquel. Raquel, I can't beg you one lion. Please. Our 3 posts. I look something for you, Miguel, and take it. Chat, I look 2 more ways to go up in the ranks. But now they ever play in a match. Chat, I look 2 more ways to go up in the ranks. But now they ever play in a match. More go up in the ranks, chat. Curly here, you know, Jericho is here. Chat, I look 2 more wheel. Say, chat. So somebody said more screen a call with liar. And it was very disturbing to me. And then I get Nana forward. But she said she about to time out say, I don't care what no one say. Me not like Rosealee. I know me not get a liar. You just have some ways on and not change. I'm ready to distance myself. But if you hate me, it's on you. You understand? If you want hate me, it's on you. It's on you, because I never met you before. I've never met you before. And I tell you about no lie, them know they like people for program and They can't program me. No, that's why you're vexed. But it's okay. I that's not the problem. Unlike, you just want to program people, you can't program me. Because things where you want me to say, me not say it. Conversation, one want me hold, me not going to ever hold it. It's about, whether it's about me or people. And that's why I'm the man. I mean, know somebody just left for no, not class me, but they just left for no. Because I know everything, you know. It's the conversation with them that want me have with them, me not have it, so. Them make them say what they want. So she say what she want to say. She hate me, that's and she. Fair business, that. Eh. Yeah, a fair business that. Chat will look too live. Well, a fair business, I'm going to do about that. Because even when I do the series with that man, even when I do the series with that man, she don't want me sit down and come. She don't want, if it's an example, even when I do the series with that man, she don't want me sit down and tell her the full detail. And what they don't understand about me. Me know now bring down, me not trust you with certain information. So I want to put on as far as the rabbit hole goes. She better go always rub me, so whenever I talk about him. When him see the flowers to me get it, him now go give me it. So make him stay, make him talk. I talk about liar them when I sit down and have conversation with on the phone. I know only live for the internet, I know only live for the cloud, I know only live for the highlight, I know only live for lip. There's a certain information and certain things I not go tell you, I not go forward you know. And that's why I'm mad, because in the time then when me used to sit down and reason, you don't want me to sit down and reason about certain conversation when I hold with you. Like if me and the boy go up on a date, the first date with me and the boy go up on, the first date with me and Hakim go up on, they literally want me to sit down and tell about the date. And I decide say, me not tell, if me ever go talk about it, I'm not gonna tell you. And that's from that day there, she mad. And that caused the whole fall up between me and her. And that caused the whole fall up between me and her. Because even night, she don't want me get the 411. I decide say you not get no 411, no 22, no 33, no 85, nothing. You can't question me. You can't question me about nobody. You can't question me about nobody. I mean, whether if I want the person or not, I'm not going to tell you. And from that day, she mad. I'm not give a fuck. Because me know when I bring down. Remember on the character on the net is I bring down, you know. So why would I? And that's why when someone go over them live and go listen to them, they not just haters. Because if me know say you are I bring down on the net, why would I want to share certain personal information with you? I mean know you talk with me and follow. That makes sense? Stop follow them up. It's just pure lie them tell and create rumors and story. Them lie like show. If me know say you bring down on the net, and if me a follow you bring me down with receipt and paper. And them like them lie them argue with receipt and paper and chattings. I mean no honesty. So I want to feel like say me don't have one. Me don't have one. Me can't put confidence in one. Appear like she tell. She lie. Even when they say, oh, it's kind of like the next ugly one upon me never want to call for your name. Oh, I say like, girl, me ain't no want a competition about nobody. The only thing we talk about on social media was Peter Gay. So you're lied. Me ain't want to argue about no gift to nobody. I lie you tell. Lie you telling. Lie. Even liar come out, ugly liar come out. Me a chat triple. Me lie if me a chat triple, it couldn't be with you. But if a voice no triple and tell her how I feel. Simple. Come about the whole our number they must have. Someone don't know what you talk about. You just lie. You just fucking lie. And when him enter the ranking, me unblock him. No, me not have a people that my soul. Hey, me not have a people that my soul and be bitter. Them a bring down. You can't trust them. So when them over there chat, I lie, them a tell. Me know now bring down, me now certain conversation about people, me now all load no. And me not chat myself with them, I got chat people, me not telling them business. Me I eat that? Chat me I look too well, yeah. You can't bother. Me now all argument with them. She wanted the 411 about the date and me. Now look, and she and Garrett. That be the 422. Me. No argument with them. And from that day, she said last night when the rain fall and it's slippery, me should have dropped and broke my ass. And then the day before she said, me should get my penny them. So I realized say is a deep obsession because the whole of them try to mash up the series. And when they mash up the series, them say me keep on going. So them all in a them way, them just try to do a break me. Because the whole of them still gonna mash up the series. I showed that man when I play with, when people start talking about him run. And publicity come with love and hate. And everybody gonna love you. And two things of a billion alive, love and hate. And anybody who say them love, if they get love right through, wicked, them wicked. And him not gonna ever understand, I will never understand that. If a person come, if everybody love your right blood clot true, if everybody love your right true, lie them a tell. For my name carry weight, you gotta have two things with it. Love and hate. Simple. Simple. So I look two more live goal. That is popularity. When you're popular, I two things have to carry in popularity. Love and hate. Love alone can't carry you. That will be impossible. Like mission impossible. Love and hate. So you have that set of people there so will love you, and you have a set when I like you. And you have that all the days of your life in a popularity. It have to balance. But only one thing that you always have, for you have love, for you have the people that will love you from the beginning, them will love you right to the end. And just them you have to come out for. You can't follow haters. Because they have it can flip. You have sometimes some haters them can eventually love you. Eventually love you one night time. And that's how they flip, bro. You have haters will eventually love you. I have people who love you from the get-go. Try to look some more real.